get in Nimesh, who's going to tell us about D-Street Chatter. Well, Nimesh, a flattish day, so to call it. You bought the dip, you made money. You sold the top as well, you made money. So it's that sort of a deal. Fair bit of volatility.
Is it that easy, Nigel, to buy the dip and to sell the top? It's a very, very tricky market. Honestly, I've been talking to a lot of dealers and market participants. Last 2 days have been a bit of a shakeout for a lot of traders. But again, it's not an easy market to trade now. And this volatility is likely to be here. With every phase of elections, you're going to see a lot of numbers coming up. And that will have a question mark on which way it will swing. So I guess that volatility is going to be here for at least for the time being. That's the overall feedback. I guess from a market point of view, the good part about today's market is, again, for the second day running, 22,100 seems to be a very strong support on the Nifty. So that's acting as a bit of a strong support there. So even today's market, we bounced from those levels. But I guess from a flow perspective, while the Nifty bank is looking under pressure, there is selective buying into the Nifty bank stocks as well. So some private bank stocks continue to be well bid by large institutions. For the last couple of days, I'm getting a feedback that Kotak Bank is well bid by large institutions. So that trend continues in today's market as well. And as you rightly pointed out, there are sharp reactions to earnings as well. Hero MotoCorp is reacting as well as Bharat Forge as well. So big reaction to that. Earnings continue.
Okay, all right. Nimesh, I think we have a few stocks as well that are on your radar. If you could tell us, run us through the list.
Okay, so in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is GAIL. That's been buzzing on trade, good volumes as well. I understand there are buy flows. Additionally, there was a UBS report, and they further raised the target price on GAIL to 250, and they expect very strong earnings. So that's the reason GAIL is buzzing in trade. The second name is Biocon. There is going to be a small market at close buying flow at a leading FI desk, and that's the reason why since morning you've seen a bit of a rally in Biocon as well. The third stock is Emami. That's been seen a big move in the last couple of weeks. It's almost sitting at 52-day week high. Now, understand, along with results, you can expect a corporate development as well. That's the reason why Emami is buzzing. And the last is Titan. For the third day running now, post-earnings, there has been a selling pressure. And even in today's market, while the stock has corrected sharply, still there are sell flows. Understand, a leading long-only fund seems to be an active seller as well. Hence, Titan is under pressure today.
Thank you very much for that, Nimesh. We'll get into a break. On the other side, we'll get you a few BTST calls from our technical experts. Stay tuned.